Just across the floating bridge in Seattle and past Safeco Field, you'll find one of the top clothing production houses on the West Coast. Come along for a ride as we show you the quality and care that goes into every Bib Buddy. Bib Buddy starts out in big sheets of high-quality, machine-washable pleather. We cut every Bib Buddy by hand using a long, tall razor. Velcro loop is stitched on so it doesn't slip during serging. Then sealed by the serger around all the edges. Even the edge underneath the elastic is serged to ensure the fabric won't fray.
We put the elastic, we don't need this cover, but it's okay. We need quality, you know? We need quality, yeah, exactly.
Exactly, thank you.
And the elastic ends you never see get sewn together for quality and long life. The most expensive part of production is a nice, tight, straight, and even elastic. Last but not least, for your customer's comfort, we use only low-pile Velcro hook so it isn't scratchy. And another bib is born. Bib Buddy ensures you get a thorough rinse around the neck. It's made to last, saves you time, and helps to keep your clients dry.